Standard 5th Subject Drawing. Topic Bird. Students, today we will draw a bird on page number 19 of drawing book. Follow the steps to draw a bird. Draw a small oval shaped figure for the head of the bird. Now draw a bigger oval shaped figure for the body of the bird. Draw lines to give shape of a tail. Then draw curved lines to give shape for legs of a bird. We will draw a small triangle to give shape of a beak. Then draw a small circle for eye of the bird. Do work neatly and smoothly. Now join small and big oval shape to form the full picture of a bird is shown in figure. Now remove some part like this to give shape of a bird. Do your work neatly and properly. Now draw long slanting lines for tail of the bird. Give proper shape for tail of the bird. Now make some lines on the body to show feathers of bird. Students, you have to show that the bird is sitting on a leaf. So prepare a base and give the shape of a leaf. Give a final touch to complete the drawing of bird. Use black pen or sketch pen for outline the bird. Now bird is ready for coloring. Use pencil colors or crayons for coloring the bird. Use black color for coloring the some part of the bird. Don't put pressure on the pencil while coloring. Observe the steps of coloring. Do your work properly and neatly. During coloring the head of a bird, use pencil color lightly. Don't give pressure to color while coloring. Now use pink color and give shading. Use yellow color and give shading. Use brown color for leg of bird. Use green color for leaf. Use red color for coloring the beak and inner part of eye. Mix all the colors properly to get a beautiful bird. Now a colorful bird is ready. Thank you.